This is LG's new QNED 83 series TV, and here's our review. We reviewed the 55-inch variant and it's been delightful. LG claims that its QNED 83 series is the next generation of LED TVs, and we think it might actually be. Let's talk about design first. The LG QNED 83 55-inch gets slim and uniform bezels at the front. The stands are of the hybrid variety with metal on the front and plastic at the back. They are well built and of top-notch quality. We did not face any wobbles or such when the TV was kept on the stand. You also get wall mounting options on the TV. The LG QNED branding is tucked away in the bottom right corner, and there's a small LED indicator at the bottom center. The TV looks premium and classy, like most TVs in this price bracket. There's plenty of ports at the back and they're placed in a recessed area, which should make connecting cables easier when wall mounted. You get enough gaps between the ports as well. The TV offers two USB Type-A ports, 4 HDMI ports with one supporting eARC, ARC, and another HDMI 2.1 port with 4K 120Hz support, 2 antenna-in connections, AV in, optical digital audio out, and a LAN port. All of these ports are available at the back. The AC plug is also placed in a recessed area, with the other end offering a bent plug for easy wall mounting. Now let's talk about the remote. LG bundles its Magic Remote with the QNED 83 series, and if you've never used a Magic Remote before, then you're in for a treat. The remote has a nice curve at the back for your palm to rest, and it's got good size and weight to it. You get plenty of controls and buttons, but you also get a scroll wheel. The Magic Remote features an accelerometer and a gyroscope, which enables it to be used as a mouse or a wand. You can wave the remote in front of the TV to navigate around the UI, and it's fun. Alright, let's move on to the specifications. Before we talk about picture and sound quality, let's take a look at the hardware. The LG QNED 83 series is equipped with LG's 6th generation Alpha 7 AI processor 4K, wow that's a mouthful, and you get about 6 GB of usable inbuilt storage. It runs WebOS out of the box, and you get a very usable home screen that offers easy access to all your apps and content. You also get AI features such as AI Sound Pro and AI Picture Pro, with the latter offering good audio across all kinds of content. There's a quick settings overlay on the main screen, also accessible with the press of a button on the remote, and it makes it super easy to change picture and audio modes, adjust brightness and more. The TV comes with AirPlay 2 support and HomeKit support, and we were easily able to mirror an iPhone onto the TV. You also get a WebOS voice assistant, but it's not as good as Google Assistant. However, you can get access to Alexa on the remote via a quick setup process, and you can use that to search for content. Alright, it's picture quality time. The TV uses a VA IPS LCD panel with local dimming support. Now why is it called QNED? Well, LG uses a combination of quantum dot and nanocell technologies to offer the best of both worlds. Compared to a standard LED TV, we found the colors to be richer and highly accurate. We also found the blacks to be deeper than most LED TVs. You will surely not find similar performance from a regular LED TV. In fact, the LG QNED 83 series picture quality is somewhat similar to a QLED TV. The TV also does well when it comes to upscaling content. There's also plenty of picture modes to choose from. But for watching movies and TV shows as they were intended by the filmmaker, we would recommend the filmmaker mode. You can also use the cinema mode if you want things a little brighter. Talking about brightness, the panel gets super bright, and you can use the TV in a bright lit living room with ease. The LG QNED 83 series offers Dolby Vision and HDR support as well. In bright HDR scenes, the TV performs well, but we cannot say the same about dark HDR scenes. We'd recommend turning subtitles off when watching HDR content, despite the TV offering local dimming, which only does so much to reduce the halo effect of the subtitles. However, it's still better than most LED TVs. Now let's talk about gaming. The LG QNED 83 series is also positioned towards gamers, as it offers 120Hz refresh rate, VRR, ALLM, and AMD FreeSync. We played Ghost of Tsushima on the PS5 and everything was super responsive and fun. In HDR games, you can experience better visuals. The TV also gets an HDMI 2.1 port. Moving on to sound, the LG QNED 83 series 55-inch variant comes with a 20 watts bottom firing speaker that offers good performance.
Come on, Lucian, you gotta drop down and take the shot. It's too low. Too late. Had your chance.
You also get Dolby Atmos support that does provide a cinematic experience, but we'd recommend getting a proper sound setup or a soundbar to enjoy content better. The inbuilt speakers are good enough for dialogues, but at higher volumes we noticed crackling and muddy bass when playing music or watching movies. Alright, it's verdict time. For an LED TV, the LG QNED 83 series offers more than what most LED TVs offer. You get an excellent screen with great picture quality, 120Hz refresh rate for a smooth gaming experience, and a smooth as well as fast user interface. The TV has an MRP of Rs 1,59,990, but you can get it for much cheaper online. We totally recommend getting this if you're on the lookout for a new TV with high refresh rate, but not at the MRP price. Find it cheaper and you'll not regret spending your money on this TV. And that's it for our review of the new LG QNED 83 series TV. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.